Yes. Am I visible now?
Yes, you are now visible.
Okay. So my name
Oh,
is Samriddhi, and what about you?
my name is Mahesh Nagda.
Mahesh. Okay,
Yeah,
that's a wonderful name. It is one
okay,
of the
thank you.
names of Lord Shiva, right?
Yeah, it's a name of Lord Shiva.
Yes. Okay, that's great. Okay, Mahesh. So just tell me something about yourself. Introduce yourself.
Okay, so this is Mahesh, as you know, and I'm from Neemuch, Madhya Pradesh, and I'm
Okay.
a student, and I have done my graduation, and currently I'm preparing for competitive examinations,
Okay. So which competitive examination?
particularly banking and SSC.
Okay, okay. I wish you all the best and I hope you are able to crack it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, so
I
before beginning with the session, I would like to ask you, do you want to talk about the topic of the day, that is shopping, or do you want to have a general conversation?
Yes, we can have a general conversation.
Okay, general conversation. Okay, so tell me something about your interests and hobbies.
My hobbies are playing cricket, listening to music, reading books, learning new things, and traveling are my
Okay,
hobbies.
okay. So you like to read books, right?
Yes,
So
right.
tell me about that one book that you have read and it was very interesting and good according to you.
For me, if I talk about fiction, then it was Alchemist. And if I
Okay.
talk about non-fiction, then it would be Shiva's Trilogy by Amish Tripathi.
Okay, okay. Even I like The Alchemist very much. So
Okay,
tell
yeah.
me, what is the importance of books according to you? Why should one read more and more books?
Okay, so I would say that the most of the successful people in our world or in our country,
Yes,
they have something to say with the people that if you want to be successful, do this particular thing. Also,
yes,
I find two things in common
yes,
in which all the people was that first is do exercise daily or
yes,
maybe 5 day a week, and the second was to read books.
yes.
So I believe that if those person are saying the thing that you should read book, then there might be something important or special in that. That's why they are recommending or suggesting us to read books.
Yes, I also think that reading books is a really good habit. It provides us with unimaginable knowledge also. And we never get bored also whenever we read books. So that is a
Yeah.
good thing. Okay,
Apart
so
from that,
yes, yes,
when we
please
are
continue.
reading books in English, and as I want to learn English, so it
Yes,
is going to help me a lot in my English learning journey because I'm reading
yes.
English. So that's why that is going to help me somewhere.
Yes, of course. When we read books, we are able to know new words and vocabulary also increases. So that is a good thing. Okay, so if I may ask, why did you join Inktoki?
The main reason of joining Inktoki is to work on my fluency and sharpen my fluency skill as well as a little bit of grammatical errors, plus
Okay,
remove hesitations.
okay, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Okay, Mahesh, just tell me that in this world that we are living today, what is the importance of having good communication skills? Like, why should one have good communication skills?
Okay, so the communication skill is very important in this world because no matter that how much knowledge I have, if I can't express it to the people in the
Yes,
language which they prefer, then I don't think there is a sense of anything to having that knowledge because as they say that only having knowledge is not sufficient. You must
yes,
to utilize plus express that knowledge. After that, knowledge will helpful for you. So, and
yes.
other than that, in every scenario, whether we are going to do a job, if we are running our own business, or maybe whatever we are doing in our life, we have to deal with the people, we have to talk with the people. And that's why I
Okay.
would say that if we have a good communication skills, so we can convince the people, we can make them understand better. So
Right, right.
the good communication skill is going to help us in every domain of our life. So I would say
Right.
that one should be very good at communication skills.
Right, right, right. And another thing is that you were talking about the competitive exams, right? So whenever we go for an interview also, we should have good communication skills. What do you think?
Definitely we should have. Because in the interview, because as far as knowledge and our capabilities is concerned, they have checked in the written examination and physical maybe in that. But in interview, what they check is that if I appearing for banking examination, so they are checking me out
Mhm.
that am I able to talk with the person, because in the bank I have to
Yes,
deal with the people on the daily
yes,
basis,
yes,
the customers.
yes.
So that's why they are checking me, that am I able to express, am I able to make other people understand, or am I fluent with the language which they prefer. So yeah, it's going also help me in that aspect also.
Yes, 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 right. Okay, so tell me, what is the definition of success according to you? Like, for some people, it is getting rich and famous. Some people want respect in their life. Some people want to be known. So, what do you think? What is success according to you?
So I would say that success is that when we are have completed our age like 80 or 70 years. So at that time we should not have any regret or any that I wish I would have done this. I would say that we should do whatever we want to do in our life. And after that, if we are satisfied with your life, I would say that your life is successful. And other
Okay,
than that, in physical world, I would say yeah, having like when your parents proud of you, I would say
yes,
you are
yes,
successful. I know that parents are proud of their children from since childhood. Okay, so when your parents are known by your name, and even like you can give your parents a life that they have given you, even more than that you are supposed to give them, and you can be help support of your parent in their old age. I would say that is the
right,
success.
right. I think you have very nice thought process. So everyone should think like this. We should always think about making our parents proud of us. So that is
Yeah.
a good thing. Okay, so you like traveling also,
Yes, I
right?
do. Mhm.
Okay. So which places have you visited so far?
Not many, because of my busy schedules, because I'm a student, so I have to uh, on like I have to go coachings and I have to do study for my, so not mu many places, but yeah, like I would say in Rajasthan I have been to Udaipur, Jaipur, Chittor, and if I talk
Okay.
about the north region, then I would been to Shimla till Manali.
Okay. That's good. So out of all these places, which one was your favorite and why?
Okay, so I would say Shimla and Manali is are one of my favorites. And the reason is that uh, I'm a kind of mountain person, so I like mountain, or I love mountain even. I would say. Apart from
Okay.
that, the natural beauty is there, and I
Yes,
love
the
nature.
natural views and greenery also, right?
The greenery and the snow, and other
Yes,
than that, the people of Shimla, Manali, Himachal are helpful and are so kind. So I would say
yes,
that
yes,
is
right.
the best place I want to visit on and on. I would,
Okay, that's a good thing. So, Mahesh, what is your dream or goal in life? Like, we all have some kind of dreams or goals that we want to achieve in life. So, what about you?
for long-term goal, I can't say nothing, because there is nothing decided. But yeah, short-term goal. So currently, I just want to crack exam for which I'm preparing. So that
Okay,
is my short-term goals. I don't make big goals that I can't achieve. I break into the parts and then try to achieve one by one.
okay, that's good. So, I wish you all the best for that also.
Yeah, thank
Okay,
you.
do you enjoy shopping?
Not much. I don't enjoy shopping much. I only purchase the things which is necessary for me, or I would say important, or I
Okay.
want to purchase them. It's not like that I'm purchasing here and there which thing I don't want.
Okay, so do you prefer offline shopping or online shopping? Like in today's times, online shopping is really trending. So many of the shopping websites are there which provide good services and products also at low prices. So what do you think? Which one is better option according to you?
Earlier I used to do offline shopping, but now I'm also doing a little bit of online shopping. So I would say both are uh, good at their respective places.
Hmm. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of online shopping according to you?
The advantage of online shopping is that we can purchase anything from our house, even
Yes,
after
right.
even checking the product, and even we can compare the prices of at the 2 or 3 websites that, and apart from
Right,
that, we sometimes we get good offers on that,
right, right,
and they are delivering at our house, so we don't need to go to take that good.
right,
So
right,
this is best part about the online shopping.
right. And the disadvantages?
Sometimes what happens is that we order the things and they are not maybe defected or something.
Hmm.
And sometimes
Right,
what happens is that when we want to there are some product in which there is no return policy. And once we
right,
order that, it's ours. So they have nothing to do with that. So in that case, it can be a little bit of disadvantages. Otherwise,
right.
we can replace the product.
Right,
Yeah.
right, right. So, I would like to tell you that there was one incident. It was
Mm,
tragic but funny also, when a person ordered an iPhone from a
mm.
reputed shopping portal online, and what he got was a brick. So, I think that that is really
I
tragic, right? So, this is also a
I
disadvantage of online shopping, that
yeah,
sometimes frauds like this happen.
can happen.
So
Yeah, yeah.
how heartbreaking it must have been for him. Like iPhone is really expensive, and
Mm.
what he got was a brick.
Like,
So
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So
What do
have
you
you?
prefer?
Yes,
What do you prefer, online or offline?
I prefer offline shopping
Okay, why is it so?
because that is one also reason that whenever I go to online portals or shopping websites, I see a lot of products, but when I order them, they're not the same. Like
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. So, are you able to understand me?
yeah,
Like
yeah, yeah.
when we see it on the website, it looks very
Mm.
attractive. But when we order it, it is not like the same. Like the
Yeah, it's
color would be the different, or it would not be like the
material,
same.
material, and material
Yeah,
maybe
material
the,
also, stuff also. So that is a major disadvantage. Okay,
yeah, it can be.
have you ever heard about shoplifting? That is when people, carry the products with them in their pockets, or they take it, but they don't buy it. They don't pay for it. A
Mm-hmm.
shop, okay, a market or a shop, they just pick up the things, but they don't pay for it. They don't give the money. And it is a crime.
Like stealing. It's like stealing the things.
Yes, 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 yes. So it is like stealing of the products from the markets or the shops, and it is a big crime in our country. So what do you think about that? And how can the shopkeepers, they can be alert regarding this?
So this is definitely not very good thing, and we should not do that because if someone is selling, so they have paid something for that. So we should not do that with that. Apart from that, if I talk about shopkeepers, so then they have installed CCTV cameras. I would say that in the
Right.
cities, most of the shops have CCTV cameras, and this thing is happening. So I would say this will go down one day.
Yes, 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 right. So I think our time is going to be over. So do you want me to give the feedback?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, so I think you are quite confident. There is, confidence in you. You can speak in a good way also, but I think that you should keep on practicing. Other than that, you look quite confident. I enjoyed conversing with you, and thank you so much for taking this session.
Yeah,
Hope
same here. It
we'll
was nice.
meet again.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, so should we
Okay.
end?
Yeah, yeah. Good
Okay,
night.
bye.